This hot side intercooler pipe's only about a third done, and from here, it's really easy to get it wrong. If the mock-up from here is wrong, welding just locks that mistake in. And today is about making sure that doesn't happen. So this section here is where everything starts, and that's where we need to end up. The turbo position's locked, and I've got some constraints, specifically that power steering delete, which is also my tensioner. And as you can see, there is clearance, but it's tight. So that's as far as the turbo can go. So effectively, that's what we've got to work with, and the pipework must work around that. This might be close. These three pieces are super close. Might just take these up and see how it looks. Just sitting in there like that, it actually looks better than I expected. All right, let's tape this together properly. This is the last mock-up before welding. Oh wow, this is exactly what I was trying to avoid. I taped this thing together wrong. I've just swapped these two pieces around. Same parts, wrong order. That's on me. Let's fix it. Here's the problem. 2 lines, 2 lines, 2 lines. Should have been 1, 2, 3. Don't know what I was thinking. That looks better. Oh wow, that's not right. It's a couple of degrees out, and the angle's slightly changed when I've taped it up, but my marks are all the same. So could mean when I was holding it through mock-up, There was some gaps that I wasn't aware of. All right, let's sort this out. I'm not happy with how these pie cuts are behaving. I'm fighting it more than I should be because the space is so tight. I'll get a better result switching over to aluminium donuts, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I've just ordered some. They should be here tomorrow, and we'll get right back into it. Pretty close now. This is sitting exactly where I wanted it to now. The transition's super clean and it's a fairly straight shot at the intercooler. It does swoop down and come back up, but I'm really happy with how this looks. Alright, let's tack it together. Alright, quick update. I've got this mostly mocked together and I've started fully welding it out to lock in the shape. It's looking a lot cleaner than before. It's a straight shot to the intercooler now from the turbo and I'm super happy with how it's looking. I'll go ahead and finish welding this out and then I'll come back and do this last piece here to lock it all together. Hot side intercooler pipe, fully welded out and back in the car. This one took a bit to figure out, but it was worth it in the end. Alright, well that'll just about do it for this one. That intercooler pipe was a bit of a challenge, but we got there in the end and happy with the result. If you like what you saw, please go ahead and hit that like button. You'd do me a major solid and you'll help this channel grow. If you want to keep up to date with more, go ahead and subscribe and you'll be updated every time I do post a video up. I have changed a few things in this video compared to previous ones. Let me know what changes you did notice, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this sort of approach going forward. Next up, we've got a 4-inch dump pipe to build, and we've got limited room. That's going to be a challenge. Alright, see you then.